Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired on WVIP 93.5 FM radio weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Mayor Eric Adams. When you have a platform as the mayor of New York City and you address the federal government, you have to be careful about what comes out of your mouth. It shouldn't be spontaneous. It should be planned. It also should be a situation where, get some good advice from people who have dealt with immigration issues in New York City for probably a quarter of a century. Mr. Adams, in the Ukraine where there is a war, when people from Africa went to the Polish border, they were sent back to the Ukraine to fight the war. Yeah. They didn't want these Africans to leave the Ukraine. They thought they should go fight a war. When the Haitian community, our brothers and sisters from Haiti, came to the Mexican border, President KKK Biden sent those Haitians back to Haiti, a country in turmoil, not only economically, but politically. He put them on planes, sent them back to Haiti. KKK Biden, he also did what? Continued with Title 42 as it expires again in May. Meaning, he does not want to deal with the immigrant crisis at the Mexican border. That crisis at the Mexican border, where immigrants are concerned, is a product of KKK Russian Trump and Biden with their political rationale to what happens in Central America, South America, all over Latin America. That is why all those countries are moving to the left as opposed to the right. And why should they go right when right doesn't care about brown people? And that right that is white, we talk about those people, is both Democrats and Republicans. I cannot understand for the life of me why black and brown people and Asian people don't start their own political party in America so that we could get proper representation. My name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. African Americans were disenfranchised by a racist immigration policy from the ending of slavery favoring Western Europeans over everyone else. Government, president after president in U.S. history has always demonized immigrants, whether they're black, they're brown, or they're Asian. America believed that its sovereignty part of their sovereignty is keeping America white. They do not care if you are not white. And Eric Adams, I don't know if you skip the history of America, whether it be slavery, whether it be the racist immigration policies of the U.S. government. I don't know if you skip social studies, that's what they call it, or history of a world or whatever. But as a black man in America, African American, well, first to begin, you're not African American, you're black. That's how these white people see you. You see, they don't distinguish black from America, black from the Caribbean, black from Africa. How you doing, Africa? Yeah. Africa is our homeland. So, you are black. Jamaicans black. Haitians black. Yeah. You want to address the issues of inequities? Talk about that issue. And all our representatives from New York State, New York City, they shouldn't even have to tell Biden, send money to New York City, please. What is wrong with KKK Biden? Because he's, from a race point of view, he's just like KKK Trump. So when he declared to be, I want to be the president for the next election, no wonder so many people say, boy, like, could you take a back seat? Could you please? What's that senator from New Jersey? Booker? That's his name? The senator from New Jersey. I love that black man. Yeah. Cory Booker. Yeah. He should be the president of the United States of America. A wonderful black man, intelligent black man who seemed to understand civil rights issues as it really supposed to be understood, which include the issue of immigration. My name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. The last time that any sort of immigration amnesty was passed was under KKK Ronald Reagan. That was in 1982. How many years ago was that? That's what, 41 years? Shikes. 1982, 1 plus 2 is 3. Yeah. 41 years ago, a Republican. So, what does that mean? It means that, there's time now that the centerpiece for any presidential run should be comprehensive immigration reform. Comprehensive immigration reform is good for the U.S. economy. Comprehensive immigration reform is good in terms of diluting the white vote in this country that seem to be bent out of shape on oppressing people of color. These are the changes that we need. This is the leadership that we need. And a major part of it is comprehensive immigration reform. Also, how about the policies towards the Caribbean, Africa, Latin America? It seems like America wants to relocate to Western Europe. But America cannot physically relocate to Western Europe geographically, politically, economically. You should be working with the Caribbean, Africa, Latin America on trade issues. So comprehensive immigration reform, who's going to rise to the occasion? Somebody please run against Joe Biden. KKK Joe Biden. Again, my name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. We need comprehensive immigration reform. Thank you.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.